The NaturalONE data browser allows you to quickly query and view data stored in a database. So let's take one of the DDMs, which is the extension NSD, right-click, and select Browse Data. Now we are prompted to enter a name for this vPort search template. Let's call it All Yachts. That will open a screen where I can select which data fields should be used in the report. Let's choose Yacht ID, Yacht Name, and the number of bunks on this yacht. On the second tab, I can specify more criteria. For example, I can choose which key to use and start and end values. For your convenience, standard maximum results is set to 100. But if you change this value to 0, you will get all instances. Be aware that this may result in billions of rows in case of a big database. When you've specified your selection criteria, you click the green Create Report arrow in the top right corner of the window, which will open the report in the bottom right corner. I can now browse the results and even sort them by clicking on the column headers. If I'm not satisfied with the results, I can simply change the criteria in the report template and rerun the report. Once I'm satisfied, I can save the report template for later use and can store the data as a CSV file for unit testing. You can do that by selecting the rows you want to save, right-clicking, and then choosing Save Selection. We'll call ours yachts.csv. Because I saved the CSV file in my project, I can hit Refresh and right-click to open the file. The data browser can be used for any database type. You may ask how you can handle ADABAS periodic groups and multiple value fields with the data browser. Let's take SAG Tour Prices. Go to the data browser and name the template Prices. We'll select the base ID, the dates, and the first price field from the periodic group. In the Reports tab, we'll set the base ID as the primary key. If we run the report now, we would only get the first occurrence in the results. But if I click on the individual fields, I can edit the Properties view to change which occurrences I want to see in the report. Let's change the upper value to 5 in all instances, and then run the report. In the report, I can hover over the periodic group fields and see all the values in the group. I can also right-click and select Expand. To summarize, from the DDM, you are able to create and save a report template. When you run the report, you can browse and sort the resulting list and can save the whole list or parts of it as a CSV file.